viennent des 4 coins du monde. Ils sont délicieux, mais surtout ils ont des vertus insoupçonnées. Antidouleur, anti-âge, ultra énergétique. Le goji, le cranberry, l'açaï, ces fruits exotiques se consomment de plus en plus aujourd'hui et leurs bienfaits sont même prouvés scientifiquement.
Bonsoir à tous, soyez les bienvenus sur le plateau de 100% Mag. Nous sommes le mercredi 7 janvier. Vous le savez, en ce moment il fait froid, il fait très froid un peu partout en France. Vous vous sentez peut-être enrhumé, fatigué, déprimé. Heureusement, grâce à 100% Mag, vous allez voir qu'il existe une solution toute simple pour retrouver la forme. C'est de manger des fruits miracles comme l'açaï, le goji ou encore le cranberry. Ils sont antioxydants, anti-âge, anti-fatigue et auraient même des vertus aphrodisiaques. Bref, que du bonheur. Découverte de ces fruits qui donnent la pêche et la banane avec Juliette Armanet.
Même sous la neige, Roger tient une sacrée forme. Il faut dire que cet habitué des montagnes a un secret.
Le matin, un peu de forêt d'Amazonie et l'après-midi de la neige de France. C'est pas bon.
Si Roger parle d'Amazonie, c'est que son secret vient de là-bas. Il s'agit d'un fruit que vous ne connaissez peut-être pas, l'açaï. Car désormais, au rayon fruits, à côté des pamplemousses, des kiwis ou des bananes, on trouve de nouveaux fruits pleins de promesses. C'est le cas de l'açaï de Roger, mais aussi du goji, un fruit tibétain, ou du cranberry que vous connaissez peut-être et qui nous vient du Canada. Roger a plus de 60 ans et le secret de sa santé, c'est donc l'açaï.
T'as vu la neige?
La neige, beaucoup de neige.
Voilà.
Un fruit qu'on ne trouve que sous forme de jus en France et pour Roger, une véritable potion de jouvence bourrée d'énergie.
Pousse un peu, petit mec. Voilà.
Alors c'est ça votre açaï, Roger?
C'est ça mon açaï.
Ça a le goût de la myrtille, ça a la couleur de la myrtille, mais ce n'est pas de la myrtille.
C'est bon et j'aime bien en prendre parce que ça me donne la pêche.
On est en France et il y a une notion de plaisir. Merci. Quand on dit à votre santé, on pense vraiment.
Pour trouver ce petit fruit qui provient du Brésil, une seule solution, l'acheter sur Internet.
C'est un tout petit fruit, c'est une toute petite baie, vous voyez ce que ça fait dans une main? On dirait vraiment des myrtilles, hein, des grosses myrtilles.
Cette myrtille coûte quand même à Roger et Sylvie près de 60 € par mois. Un produit cher, mais pour Roger, c'est un fruit indispensable.
L'açaï est un super fruit. Aujourd'hui, on sait que c'est le fruit qui a le plus d'antioxydants de tous les fruits du monde connus.
Antioxydant, en 2 mots, ce serait donc un super fruit aux vertus à la fois anti-âge et hyper énergisant. En tout cas, Roger et Sylvie semblent avoir trouvé à la fois leur potion miracle et le fruit de leur amour.
Ça nous donne de l'espoir d'une certaine manière sur comment on va aborder nos vieux jours.
Et pour preuve, un verre plus tard, Roger est déjà reparti pour un tour.
C'est le Viagra du vieux guerrier en Amazonie. C'est ce qui donne la force aux vieux guerriers.
L'açaï, en tout cas sur Roger, ça marche, mais c'est vrai que ce fruit reste un peu difficile à trouver en France.
Quand tu prends de l'açaï, personne ne peut te battre à la course. T'es invincible.
Comme souvent à Rio, la vague açaï est venue de la tribu du surf. Cette potion magique se consomme en sorbet avec du guarana, un autre fruit d'Amazonie. Les bars spécialisés ne désemplissent pas.
C'est très sain, vraiment très sain. Pour le sport, pour les enfants, les personnes âgées. Prenez de l'açaï, c'est très très bon.
Ces petites boules noires au goût délicieux de fruits rouges intéressent aussi la communauté scientifique. Les chercheurs du très sérieux Embrapa, l'équivalent brésilien du CNRS, ont découvert que l'açaï contient un taux très élevé d'antioxydants.
Le pigment responsable de cette coloration violette, c'est la marque de ce que l'on appelle l'anthocyanine. Et cette anthocyanine capture les radicaux libres présents dans notre organisme. Elle nous permet de lutter contre de nombreuses maladies.
Les chercheurs de l'Embrapa ont également constaté que l'açaï possède des vertus essentielles pour combattre le cholestérol.
Lauren, people are crazy about the acai berry. It is chock full of antioxidants and is most often taken in juice blends. New York Times bestselling author Nicholas Perricone rates it the #1 superfruit in the Perricone Promise, helping you look younger and live longer. But there's more. See this purple juice? It's called Monavi Active. A new study finds Monavi Active increases antioxidant activity. Those antioxidants able to penetrate cells, giving you the greatest health benefits and perks, improved healing, and a stronger immune system. Researchers also found the antioxidant cocktail protects the internal lining of arteries. But here's the catch. You have to drink 4 ounces a day. And the juices aren't cheap, typically about $40 a bottle. As for the acai berry, doctors say it has 10 times more antioxidants than red grapes. It has also been known to improve joint pain and give you an energy boost. A University of Florida study indicates the acai berry can even blast cancer cells, triggering a self-destruct response in up to 86% of leukemia cells. But remember, the acai berry is not a supplement. It is a supplement. It is not medicine, that is, and it is not a guaranteed cure. Here's the deal. It doesn't taste that bad at all, kind of like blueberry/prune juice with some seeds in it, but really not that bad.
Hey, packs a punch too.
It does.
I'm going to try it.
Do it.
Thanks.
Some people call this super juice. The real name is Monavi. Just 3 shots a day, and users say they have more energy during the day, sleep better at night, and even have lower cholesterol. Some people have even started throwing Monavi parties. Emory University researchers tested the fruit drink. They found that the cholesterol claims are actually true. You may ask what's in it. It's a blend of 19 fruits, including pears, prunes, and kiwi, but most of it is made from a berry called acai, which is grown in the Amazon. And Todd Romero is a big fan of acai.
That is
I had
correct.
never heard of it. What exactly is it?
It is a palm berry.
And it's delicious.
They actually found a tribe of these guys that back in the day were like 7 years old, and they were like rowing boats in great health, and they found out what it was. They traced it to the acai berry.
Live from NBC4, this is the Channel 4 News at 11.
Also tonight, it's a boost in the bottle that has people talking, but does this purple potion really pack a punch?
Some people swear it keeps them young.
Yeah, you know, too good to be true, or can this drink do it for you? Next.
Some people swear it keeps them young. Others say it's just a health food fad. But a juice drink called Monavi is quickly gaining a big following. Its key ingredient here is a berry, the acai berry that's found in Brazil. Supporters say its high antioxidant content can increase energy, combat premature aging, and reduce inflammation.
Probably seen cars driving around town bearing bumper stickers and license plates that say Monavi. Drink it, feel it, share it. Supposedly, it's a fruit juice guaranteed to give you the health that your body needs. So, what's up with this stuff? We wanted to know. Fox 4's Erica Pizzi finds out in this 4 in Your Corner medical report.
No, it's juice. It's superfood. Well, at least that's what makers of Monavi believe. Packed with 19 different fruits, the real punch comes from the Brazilian acai berry. Monavi says consider an ounce of this bottle a daily dose of your nutrition. Before he ever saw the stuff, 69-year-old Al Tawarski says he lived a slow and painful life.
I had the old man syndrome. I would try to get up out of a chair, and I would, my wife would say to me, "You sound like an old Jewish man." I go, "Oi," to get out of the chair. It would take me 10 to 12 pain relievers a day just to get through the day.
Not anymore. He says 2 shots a day took the pain away. In the past year, Al says he got thinner, stronger, healthier, and even better.
It has made me feel younger than I did 10 years ago.
Dorothy Farrell feels the same way.
Well, I am 87 years old, and I, at times, always took a nap every afternoon, which I do not do anymore.
And this lovely lady is not the only one who says she's got more energy. Younger people say Monavi is rejuvenating them too. Boston Red Sox pitcher John Papelbon threw the winning pitch to snag the World Series title, and now he's throwing out all sorts of praise for Monavi.
And for me, energy,
feeling good, and just everything that the Monavie product brings to me is what I need out there on the field.
Local distributor Rick Parlente.
Unfortunately, we're all getting plenty of calories. I think the problem is we're on the fly, we're going through drive-through windows, we're getting pre-processed, pre-cooked. I mean, it's hard to get the nutrition. Fruit is a natural anti-inflammatory. If you remove the inflammation, people just feel better. Yes. Cheers.
Well, Monavie insists there are absolutely no side effects and it tastes good. It does taste good.
There you go.
So does it really work? Recently, researchers at the University of Florida have found out significant health benefits about the main ingredient in Monavie, the acai berry. In their study of human cancer cells, they say berries triggered a self-destruct response in up to 86% of leukemia cells tested. In other words, the antioxidants in the berries seem to get the cancer cells to cancel themselves out. Despite the success stories, Monavie wants to be clear.
We're not a medicine. We are not a cure.
Still, for Rick, Al, Dorotha, and John, the juice is changing their lives. Enough for them to drink it, feel it, and share it, down to the very last drop. In Southwest Florida, Erica Pizzi, Fox 4 News.
Now, Monavie has only been around for a few years. Right now, a group of doctors nationwide are doing a clinical study on the direct antioxidant effects of Monavie in humans. Results are expected sometime this